Hi, and welcome back to our top tips countdown for sourcing. And this one is down to number 91, and this one is around following influencers. So, leveraging influencer recommendations to spot and source trending products for eBay success. So, in today's digital age, social media influencers hold significant sway over consumer trends and purchasing behavior. These individuals who have amassed large followings on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest frequently promote and recommend products that quickly capture widespread interest and become must haves for their audiences. For eBay sellers, following influences in your niche can be a powerful way to stay ahead of trends. You can identify emerging products and strategies to strategically source inventory that appeals to a rapidly growing market. By tapping into influencer culture, you can enhance your eBay business by offering products that are in demand, differentiating yourself with competitors, and positioning your store as a go-to source for the latest trends. So let's look at why following influencers matters for eBay sellers. Well, there's early access to trends. So influencers often have insider access to industry events, product launches, and new trends before they become mainstream. Recommendations can spark consumer demand, making it crucial to identify these trends early. There's consumer trust and credibility. So many consumers trust influencer recommendations over traditional advertisements. When influencers endorse a product, their followers are more likely to seek out and purchase it, creating a surge in demand. There's niche marketing insight. So influencers cater to a specific niche, whether it's beauty, fitness, tech, gaming, home decor, or fashion. By identifying and following influencers relevant to your niche, you gain insights into products that resonate with your target audience. There's product discovery and differentiation. So trends driven trend driven by influencers can give you ideas for products that differentiate your eBay store from competitors. Selling unique or hard to find items that influencers recommend can attract loyal customer base. So let's look at how to leverage influencer recommendations for eBay success. Well, identify relevant influencers. So start by finding influencers who align with your product category or target market. Look for individuals with strong engagement rates, credibility, and a loyal following. While follower count is important, engagement metrics like likes and comments and shares often provide a better indicator of an influencer's reach and influence. For fashion accessories, follow influencers who specialize in fashion hauls, styling tips, and product reviews. For tech gadgets, identify tech reviewers and content creators known for their in depth product testing and recommendations. For home decor and DIY products, focus on interior designers, DIY experts, and home improvement influencers. So, monitor social media platforms. Pay close attention to the platforms where influencers are more active. Trends often start on platforms like TikTok and Instagram before spreading to other channels. Use hashtags and explore features like trending pages for you feeds and reels to discover emerging products. So, for an example, a TikTok video showcasing a specific kitchen gadget may rapidly gain millions of views, sparking widespread interest. By sourcing and listing this item on eBay quickly, you can capitalize on demand. Follow influencer collaborations and brand partnerships. So influencers frequently collaborate with brands to promote new products, limited editions, or exclusive releases. These collaborations often generate a surge of consumer interest and can quickly create new market trends. As an eBay seller, keep an eye on such collaborations and source products accordingly. There's engage and observe audience reactions. So it's not enough to simply follow influencers. You need to engage with the and observe how their audience responds to their content. Comments, likes, and shares provide valuable feedback on um, which products resonate with consumers. If a particular product consistently generates positive feedback, it's a strong indicator of its market potential. So, for an example, a beauty influencer posts a review on a new skincare product, and their followers flood the comments with excitement. This suggests high demand, making it a prime product for sourcing. So track the product availability and sourcing options. Once you've identified trending products, the next step is sourcing. So depending on your business model, you may source directly from manufacturers or suppliers. So use platforms like Alibaba to find wholesale options for trending products. Monitor the competitors. So check how other eBay sellers are listing similar products, including their pricing and marketing strategies. Speed is often critical in capitalizing on influencer driven trends, as these trends can become saturated quickly. Being one of the first sellers offering the trending product can lead to strong initial sales momentum. There's optimized eBay listings for maximum visibility. So when you list products influenced by social media trends, make sure to optimize your eBay listings. Use relevant keywords and hashtags. So include popular terms related to the item and to the trend or influencer in your product title and description. Highlight the influencer connection. So, if appropriate, mention that the product is as seen on a particular influencer's name or platform to attract buyers searching for that specific trend. Include high quality images, so reflect the look and feel promoted by influencers, such as lifestyle images, detailed shots, or video demonstrations, product use. Stay flexible and adapt quickly. So trends can be fleeting, especially those driven by social media. Be prepared to pivot if demand shifts or the trend fades. Diversifying your product offerings and regularly monitoring influencer content ensures you remain adaptable. So, for the practical example, imagine you sell home decor products and you follow a popular Instagram influencer known for home makeovers. The influencer posts a story about a unique LED neon light, for example, showcasing its aesthetic appeal. Within days, their post goes viral and searches for similar signs surge online. Recognizing this trend, you quickly source the LED neon sign from a supplier, listing them on eBay with optimized keywords such as trending LED neon sign and as seen on Instagram. By acting fast and capitalizing on influencer driven demand, you attract a wave of buyers seeking to trend this trendy decor item. So, what are the potential challenges and how to overcome them? Well, there's trend saturation to begin with. So, influencer driven trends can quickly become oversaturated. To stand out, focus on unique variations, bundle options, or offering exceptional customer service. There's short lived trends. So, some trends have a short lifespan. Regularly monitor the influencer content and diversify your product offerings to minimize risk. There's identifying the right influencers. So, not all influencers have the same impact. Choose influencers whose recommendations align with your niche and target audience to maximize relevance and engagement. So in conclusion, following influencers is a powerful way for eBay sellers to stay ahead of market trends and source products that capture consumer interest. By monitoring and responding to influencer recommendations, you can identify high demand items, differentiate your offerings, and attract a loyal customer base. Success with influencer driven trends requires a proactive approach, quick sourcing, and effective marketing. By integrating influencer insights into your eBay strategy, you can build a dynamic and trend responsive store that thrives in a competitive online marketplace. Keep it real.